move to enhance citizen engagement and address various concerns, the Chief Commissioner of Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike has unveiled the SAHAYA 2.0 application for grievance redressal. This public notification allows residents of Bengaluru to register a range of grievances related to BBMP services, including issues like potholes, footpaths, street lights, garbage disposal, and building permit approval. The SAHAYA 2.0 application, available on the Play Store under the name Namma Bengaluru, provides a user-friendly platform for citizens to report their concerns. Additionally, complaints can also be lodged via the web portal on the BBMP's official website or by dialing the toll-free number 1533. What makes SAHAYA 2.0 unique is its integrated approach. The BBMP has collaborated with several key departments including BESCOM, BWSSB, BMTC, BMRCL, BMRDA and BDA to provide a uniform grievance registration system. This consolidated platform enables citizens to submit their concerns through text, photos and videos. Moreover, residents can track the status of their complaints on a day-to-day basis. The launch of SAHAYA 2.0 is a significant step towards improving the city's responsiveness to citizen grievances and fostering a more efficient and accountable system for addressing various issues across Bengaluru. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.